What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Rice Burners. Today is going to be very interesting. So as you've seen by the title, something bad has happened to my car. So yeah, my car's had a problem that you guys may or may not have known about. It has a very bad coolant leaking problem. We couldn't figure out where it's going. It's not showing up in the engine anywhere. It's not showing up on the ground that much. We're thinking head gasket. And especially since what happened last night, that's probably what happened. So me, my friend Dylan, and Matt were driving after Family First. We were playing basketball. We were coming home. And all of a sudden, my engine temperature went from 100 to 260 literally within a second. My engine heat light came on. My check engine light came on. Low coolant, everything. And the day before, yesterday, we actually had filled up the car all the way with coolant, and it was already gone. I filled it up again. Let the car warm up, which it never did. It was blowing cold air the whole time for an hour. Finally got to my friend's house, dropped them off, started going down the road. I was like, all right, I got to stop and let my car cool down. So I drive back to his house, and my car dies in front of his house. I was pushing down on the pedal all the way to the floor, going a maximum of 5 miles per hour because my car would just not budge. It wouldn't move. It was making awful sounds. It's terrible. We're going to go look at the car soon here, actually. But currently it's sitting in front of his house, and I don't know what to do. So again, if you guys watch my videos, you know that's my first and only car I've ever had. And I am getting a new car hopefully soon. If you watch my videos, you know what car it is. But maybe now's the time to get a new car because this one might be done for. But we're going to find out what's up with it. We're here, boys.
Wet down there, but I thought that was motor oil.
Okay, guys, so we got the car. We were really hoping that when we popped the hood, we saw that the water pump belt was off. It wasn't. So there's antifreeze all over the engine. It's just spurting out everywhere. We don't really know where it's coming from because we don't see it, but yeah. Honestly, surprised the thing's moving. Won't be surprised if it dies before I get home, but we're just trying to drive it home and not get it towed instead. Alright, guys, so literally as soon as I ended the last clip, my engine went from 100 to 260 again within a second, so it overheated literally within 3 seconds of driving. So we're really thinking it's the water pump. The bearing is probably going. We're just taking it at the country fair. Probably going to get it towed back to my house because I can't even drive 10 feet without the thing overheating. So, and about 15 minutes away from my house, so that's not going to work. In the arms of the angel, alright, guys. We think water pump. It's kind of surprising because, when the water pump... the water pump would be the reason for antifreeze as well, but usually it'll drip if it's bad, but it's not, so maybe the gasket didn't melt and it's not letting it drip. But we got a tow truck, and it's bringing the car back to my house soon, hopefully, and we're going to work on it tonight because I need the car by tomorrow.
You gotta change your fucking hose. Markers when they don't need one.
Alright, guys, so me and Brian just got done doing the water pump, thermostat, and just filling it with antifreeze. Once we got the new water pump in, we took it for test drive and stuff. It's running way better. The temperature stayed at about 120, which is perfect. It got a lot quieter too. The engine, was just way quieter after that. But we filled up the overflow for the antifreeze, marked it, so if it gets any lower, we'll know if there's anything else wrong. And if there is something else wrong, I'll make a part 2 of this. But for tonight, that's going to be it. Again, thermostat, water pump, and filled with antifreeze and stuff. And it's running good right now. So tomorrow we'll find out if that's exactly what the problem was or if there's something else. But until then, my car is good, thankfully. But thank you guys for watching. Any suggestions, something you want to tell me about this video, just let me know in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe. The growth has been insane in the past month. We gained a lot of subscribers, as I see. The Rams just scored, which I'm glad about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just let me know what you think. And thank you for tuning in. This is the Rice Burners. Peace out.